wish to raise on a point of information, just to notify the honorable members of the Great County of Nyamira that there is a statement and a letter that has been done by the Honorable Peter Gichana Otachi, the MCA for Monyerero Ward, to the Chief Officer, Department of Finance, ICT and Economic Planning over the illegal, the title of the letter, Mr. Speaker, sir, is titled Illegal Encroachment by Nyamira County onto Tinga Market, presently within Kisii County, which, Mr. Speaker, sir, I believe that Tinga Market lies in the ward of the Honorable Charles Kiganda. Mr. Speaker, sir, the point of information to the members, so wish to request that our Department of Lands, the County Attorney's Office, and His Excellency the Governor Amos Nyaribo, that they move with speed to also make an inquiry, Mr. Speaker, sir, on various lands in Nyamira County, including Jogo in Kisii Town, including the Agriculture Training College, Mr. Speaker, sir, and even Kisii Bottlers, Mr. Speaker, sir, and including the headquarters of the Kisii County Assembly that are located in Nyamira County, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish that you guide that the same that the County Government of Nyamira takes, led by His Excellency the Governor, the County Attorney and the Department of Lands, that they act very fast to ensure that not an inch of Nyamira County is taken by any neighboring county. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. And